Hello, here we are in Kuna, Idaho. This is the Birds of Prey Information Center. It's on the beginning of the trail that leads to Swan Falls and different places like that. They got picnic tables up here. We got information or posters up here. Nothing on this side, but what is the NCA? The Snake River Birds of Prey National Conservation Area. It's about 485,000 acres of public lands. It is home to the largest concentration of nesting raptors in North America. The NCA is located south and east of Boise, Idaho, and stretches along 82 miles of the Snake River. The NCA's north boundary is just 3 miles south of Kuna. Where are the birds? Some of the birds of prey are use the NCA year-round. Other raptors are only here during the certain times of the year. The chart shows when various birds can be seen. Tips of reviewing. Be patient. Raptors are wary of humans. Bird binoculars, field guides, or spotting scopes are helpful. Raptors can spot bright, wear earth tone colors. They can spot bright clothing a mile away. View early. Early morning and evening hours, raptors are actively hunting in mid-March. And then over in this area you can go bird watching, hiking, horseback riding, and OHV use. All vehicles, cars, trucks, and etc. must stay on the existing roads and trails within the NCA. No cross-country travel is allowed. A good place for OHV play is Kuna Butte, an old shield volcano. The top was once used as a gravel pit and provides large gravel area. And this picture is the unique combination of soils, climate, geology, and vegetation have created a perfect habitat for birds of prey. You can go in any direction without losing several of the important characteristics that make up this remarkable situation. The soils change, the geology changes, the climate changes, and in no other area in the North Hemisphere do these combinations of factors occur to such a benefit of the birds of prey. Marley Nelson, Raptor Conservation. Over here you'll see the golden eagle, the Waihi Mountains, Bass Hill Cliffs, Winter Flat, the prairie falcon, the western meadowlark, the rabbit brush, the burrowing owls, the short-eared owl, American badger, the Wyoming big sagebrush, western fence lizard, Paiute ground squirrel, black-tailed jackrabbit. And you got your little board here. Welcome to Kuna, gateway to Snake River Birds of Prey National Conservation Area. And then it just talks about what that other sign is set. And then this is set up by the Kuna Chamber of Commerce. It's got the Western Heritage, Snake River Raptor Volunteers, Western Heritage Historic Byway, Chamber of Commerce, Kuna, Idaho. If you ever want to look at the Kuna Birds of Prey, you can go to www.kuna chamber.com. That's www.kunachamber.com or www.birdsofprey.blm.gov. So, from the visitor center here in Kuna, Idaho, the beginning of the Birds of Prey area, I'll say goodbye for this one.